cotton. Stage 1, the original swaddle is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in, approx. 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable, the SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe and secure, the secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. 3 sizes available, the SwaddleMe Original Swaddles come in 3 different sizes. The preemie fits up to 7 pounds, small fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches, large fits 3 to 6 months, 14 to 18 pounds, up to 33 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This original swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Decent swaddle. In my opinion, swaddling is a must for newborns. We started a regular swaddle blanket, but my baby is like Houdini. He opened every swaddle we did. At first, I got this swaddle as a gift for my newborn, but later loved it and bought a bigger size. My baby loves this swaddle. After 3 months, newborn size become tight and I ordered a large size. It's a weird size. My 3-month is big for small/medium size but very small for large size. After the second dryer, it became perfect. Now it is neither big nor small. This is not a summer daytime swaddle. Baby can be very hot in this. We use it at night and daytime we have different swaddles. But for nighttime this is perfect warmth. I recommend this swaddle to every newborn parent.